Yes.
All right, good morning, boys and girls. I hope I find you all today. Today, boys and girls, we are going to dwell on something that is unique in our lives. And before I get into that, I'm going to just give you a little poem, and from there, then I'll tell you a little story that will lead to the topic of the day. Now, the topic is sorry the The poem goes like God sleeps in minerals, dreams in plants, steers in animals, and works in men. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a little story that will lead to our main lesson today. Now, boys and girls, we all know that in life, families, friends, everyone, they have secrets, and secrets are supposed to be kept and never revealed. And in our lives too, we experience such situations where we have secrets, and these secrets need to be kept. You don't open up your arms. Now, in our own culture in Zimbabwe, we have a ceremony called the Nkwerera ceremony, which is simply rainmaking. It is done by women who have gone over the stage of being children. And it's done over a period of time. They go to the mountains. Nobody's allowed there. Not even myself, not even you, but very, very old women. But at the end of the day, you'll find that when they finish up their ceremony, the rains will just come down. That's a secret, and no one knows. They don't even tell anyone. Anyway, today we're going to look at a special organism, which is the plant. Now, the plant has secrets. So we're going to look at the secrets of a plant, the secret life of a plant. Now, if you look around, you'll see different kinds of plants, from grasses, shrubs, trees, many, many different types. And if you look around again, you'll find that all those are made differently, uniquely. They are not the same. That's a secret too. Anyway, we're going to explore the secret life of the plant. We don't see it grow. We don't see plants growing, but all of a sudden we see them there. We only see some changes at some stages of the plant. Now, the secrets of a plant are all buried in the seed. Now, you can imagine all the different kinds of seeds that you see around. Never will you see a mango seed giving birth to a msasa tree. So they are unique, they are special, and a seed contains everything that we see in the bigger picture of a plant. A seed contains the leaves, but we don't see it. A seed contains the fruit, but we don't see it. A seed contains the flowers, but we don't see it. A seed also contains the roots, but we don't see it. And as I said in the beginning, every seed will produce exactly the plant that the seed came from. So that's a secret, a very big secret that we would like to explore today. So the seed, in actual fact, carries the whole plant, but we don't see it. It can only be revealed at different stages of the plant's life. The stems, the leaves, the roots, they are all embedded in the seed. But there's one part of the plant, boys and girls, that we don't see always. Can you tell me that part of the plant which we don't see? I hope you got the answer right. Now, the root is always hidden. It's in the soil and it's growing down in the soil. You might wonder why the seed goes down. Now, it's going down to look for nutrients, to look for water so that it feeds the plant. So the roots are always hidden. Now, the plant is always in continual change. we will never see these changes at the same time. For instance, if you look at a plant, you'll just see one stage. Maybe you have seen the stem, the flowers, and the leaves. But that's not all. It means that it's just another stage, because at one time it was a seed. At one time it was germinating. At one time it was producing flowers that would also produce seeds. So these are changes, and we're saying these are the secrets of a plant. You can never go to a plant and see all these stages going at the same time. So the plant has got a lot of secrets, boys and girls. We will never see these changes at the same time. Now, plants and animals, they need something special again in order for them to grow. That is water. Water for life. Now, water contains the energy that sustains the lives of plants and animals. Water, it gives the plants the forces that help them to grow. Now, if we look at a plant again, you will realize that they need the sunlight in order for them to do well. That's very important. They need plants, like people and animals, they breathe. I'm sure at one time we'll do an experiment to show how how plants breathe. But what I'm telling you, boys and girls, is like we also breathe in and out. Plants also breathe in and breathe out. Now, plants, like I said, they need air, they need water, they need sunlight, they also need warmth in order for them to grow. The little seed of a mango will only produce mangoes. The little seed of a guava will only produce guava. So the whole plant is right inside the seed. So you can see, when you look at a seed, you will not see all that I'm talking about, but you will just see a simple seed. But this is where we see that the whole plant is in the seed. It grows, and at one time, it dies. It dies in order to grow. Once the main plant dies, the seeds will start again. They will grow, they will germinate, sprout, and become a new plant. Now, plants are important, and we see that all plants, they grow on the soil. Reason, there are some minerals that plants get from the soil. They also get water from the soil. So remember, boys and girls, that plants also need water, which is very, very important, just like us in animals. Secondly, they need air. Thirdly, they need sunlight and warmth in order for them to do very well. Now, I'm going to give you a task to do. I want you to go out, look into the garden for plants at different stages of the life cycle. You remember, we talked about the secrets of the plant and the life cycle, that it starts from a seed, it grows into a plant that will have leaves, that will have flowers, and eventually that will make seeds. And the seed will also come back again. It's like a cycle. And remember, it's always a secret, because we will never see these stages taking place at the same time. So go into the garden, look for plants, different plants, and find the different stages of the life cycle and draw them. Boys and girls, I'm sure you enjoy reading and finding out about the different stages of the plant cycle. Thank you. All right, I'm going also to post some work on you that will be about the germination of a plant. I've prepared the work for you, so I'll post it on your WhatsApp groups. And then you can also draw that. It's a very beautiful drawing that I've made for you.